everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. So as you can see from the title and thumbnail of this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet magic loop. So I've been receiving a lot of comments on my YouTube videos on how I do my magic loop. Somehow it's different from the regular magic loop, and some say that it's much easier, and they want me to show it step by step and slow motion on how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to hop on right here real quick to show you how I do my magic loop. So the regular magic loop, the first magic loop that I learned when I first started crochet is like wrap the yarn around fingers and pull the second yarn, something like that. I forget how's the step by step on that because I don't use that technique anymore. What I normally do to make a magic loop is wrap the yarn around fingers as how you normally do when you want to crochet. So leave the tail about this long or longer, it depends, as long as it's not too short. Okay, so once you get this set up, you wrap the fingers around. So you're going to hold the yarn with your middle finger and your thumb right here. Now you're going to pull this a little bit and twist the yarn, and now you created the X right here. Now you're going to hold right there and in this loop. Now put the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop, and that's the magic loop right here. So you're going to make multiple of stitches in this loop. So I'm going to make 10 double crochet in this loop. Now I'm going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and now I'm going to make 10 double crochet. 1, 2. So if the loop right here is too big, you just pull this tail to close it a little bit. It's easier if it's not too big. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so once you made the stitch count that you want, depending on the pattern that you're making, to close the hole at the center, just pull this tail, and yeah, that's the easiest magic loop for me. And go ahead and slip stitch and continue your pattern. Okay, so that's all for now for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. For me, this is the easiest way to do a magic loop. You just wrap around, do the magic loop, and continue crochet your pattern. Okay, so thank you so much for watching again. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. God bless and bye.